Hello, it is me. We're going to be doing the grey Kangaroo, which is like a follow-up round for the Intermediate Math Challenge. This, I think, is for Year 9s and below, so it should be pretty chill, although I always say that, and it's never, ever, ever chill. We have an hour. I'm going to see how quickly I can do it, how much I can do in an hour. No idea. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let's do this. Okay, here we go. Okay, which diagrams the shaded part have the same area? That's the same, that's the same, that's the same. This guy is... what the heck? This guy is definitely smaller. What? They all have the same rate? No, they're all the same. What? They're all just 4 quarters. There are 3 different routes from x to y. What the heck? We're going from x to y to z. There are x to z via y. It's not completely the same. So how many routes are there? What? There's 5 routes. Wait, there's 3 routes. There's 5 routes. There's 15 routes total. He wants to travel by a different route, so there's going to be 14 routes. Because any route he does there are 14 other routes. I don't know. Okay, that seems legit. Okay, what's the smallest possible result? So that means we want the denominator to be big. Smallest positive result. Denominator to be big. 6, 2, 2, 0. So we've got 2 over 4, which is a half. Can I make something smaller? No. No. How, like... no. Which of the following numbers is not the sum of 2 or more consecutive positive integers? This one this is 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Yeah. This I feel like is not. 3, 2, 1 is 6. 7. 4 plus 3 plus 2. Oh wait, 4 plus 3 is 7. So it's that. Okay, Uva is looking at 4 seats in a row. Oh god. Okay, so we've got Andy. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Andy is not in seat 1, but he is seated directly to the right of Andy, which means also can't be in seat 1, which means also can't be in seat 2. Dira is not at either end. Oh, uh-oh. What about the Zeta? Do I know anything about Zeta? No. Okay, so this person can't be here either. So this person is here. This person is here. This person is here. C, D, A, B. C, D, A, B. Yep. Okay. A mug has, you can see in 40%, which mug shows a different mug? Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, look. 3, 7, 8 and 5, 7, 8. 5 has to be next to 7, 8, right? 5, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, 4. That's wrong. 3 has to be next to something else, but I don't think it's this. Okay. Don't want to spend time on that because I'm not enjoying it, so I'm going to do this one. 3 times the bats. Well, there's one time children remove bats to be sure that at least 2 of them. What? They each remove 2 vats. What? I don't understand this question at all. Some children each remove 2 bats chosen at random. What is the smallest number of children who can remove bats? They each remove 2 bats chosen at random. Okay, don't know. I'm gonna come back to that. Confused. Okay. R plus E equals M plus 13. M plus E equals rear minus 5. Because rear if I subtract these, wait, okay, E equals M minus R plus 13, E equals R minus M minus 5. If I add them to E, these cancel, equals 8, E equals 4. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Merc of the Mass are 3 different size blocks of cheese. Oh, cute. Oh my god, cute. So there's 9, no, there's 27, 28, 1 plus 8 plus 27. So altogether there's 36 blocks. And then he ate 40% of 1, so now there's, he ate 0.4 plus, and then he ate 40% of 8, which is, wait, this is silly what I'm doing. Right, we're kind of doing this. So if I take out 0.2, that's 0.2 plus 1.6. No. Oh my God, we're not in a good place right now. Okay, 4 plus 32 plus 54 over 360. I just times everything by 10. And that's going to be 36 plus 54 over 360, which is 90 over 360, which is a quarter. Okay. Don't know if that's right either. Not feeling particularly good about my chances so far. Clearly not on top form, but that's fine. Also, I feel like my pen's maybe a bit big. 5 junior elves and a senior elf live in a magic forest. Five junior elves and a senior elf. So 5 junior plus 1 senior. Each junior elf eats 60 cherries. Senior has X, J has 6, so we've got 30 plus X, that's the total amount of things eaten. And if we divide that by 6, that's equal to eat 5 more cherries than the mean. So the mean plus 5 equals to the amount he eats. 30 plus x equals 30 minus 6x. Nope. Nope, made a mistake. No. 30 plus x plus 30 equals 6x. There we go. 60 equals 5x, x equals 12. What's the sum of the shaded angles? Okay. A, B, B, C, D, D. So A plus B plus C plus D is 360. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, wait. We know that. Okay, yeah. Okay, 1, 2. So 4 triangles should be 720, but then we've taken away ABCD, which is 360. So it's 360. That's really cool. I've not seen that before. That's really cool. I'm well into that. That's delightful. That's really cool. Okay. There are more than 20 things for the tribunal class. Oh, God, what the heck? Maths, French. Everyone likes at least one of maths and French. Twice as many people like maths as like French. Maybe is this a two-way table? Maths, French. Same amount of people like both maths and French as like only French. Twice as many people like maths as like French. Okay, so B plus A equals twice as many people like maths as like French. This equals 2 lots of French. So B equals 3A. So it's a multiple of 5. That's 25. That's interesting. I think I did it right. That's fun. We're zooming. 13 units digit is 1. Roots of digit to a new number that is 2 and less than the original number. The units digit of the number is 1. So we had a 10th. Oh, the units digit. Oh, that's the one at the end. Okay. Like this. So if it was 4 digits and I got rid of 1, oh, that could work. Yeah, I think it's probably that. Some 4-digit number. So we've got 1000A plus 100B plus 10C plus 1, and that take away 2026 is going to equal to 100A plus 10B plus C. Okay, I don't think this helps us, but maybe it's interesting. I don't know. 900A plus 90B plus 9C equals 2025. So 100A plus 10B plus C equals this divided by 9. Okay, I don't think this is the right way, but I'm kind of having fun. 225. Okay, so is it 2251? And then when I take away 225, holy moly, that worked! That's okay. That's an awesome way of doing it, if I don't mind it myself. But I don't know how they want you to do it, because that seems kind of crazy. Wow, that was so cool that worked. Math is awesome. You could definitely sort of just like trial and something that. Okay, going L to M. Wait, if they can't have met at 8:30 because that wouldn't be halfway. So it's 8:30 like here. I mean, I could do bus A, speed, distance, time. Okay. The bus going this way, its distance is x, its time is 3/4, so its speed is distance over time is 4/3 of x, and B, oh, and after half an hour they meet. Huh. Okay, B going this way, speed, its distance is also x, but we don't know its time. But we know that they meet. Okay, I'm doing this in a silly way, I think. Okay, when they meet, the distance, this person's travelled, I don't know, y, this person's travelled, this is a half, this is a half, this person has travelled x minus y, and this distance, no, x minus y. Okay, so the speed of A is 2y, the speed of B is 2x minus 2y, and this is 2y, so we've got 4/3 x equals 2y, so y equals 2/3 of x. So if I put that in here, B's speed is 2x minus 4/3 x, so B's speed is x is 2/3 x. I'm doing something really stupid. So speed equals x over 2/3 x. Distance over, no, I want time. Speed equals distance over time is distance over speed. Distance over speed. 3/2. Hour and a half? 9:30? Doing that algebraically was. I think it's like a. I don't know what I've done here, but I'm gonna just ignore it. I think that's worked, but also I've just sort of made some stuff up. Could have easily got that wrong. Okay. Okay, I think maybe I can do it this way again. 100L plus 10M plus N plus 100L plus 10N plus M. So 200L plus 21M plus 11N equals 100N plus 40 plus L. Don't think that is helpful. Oh, and we want L plus M plus N. Okay, well, 199L plus 21M plus and then minus 89. Huh? This is definitely how you meant to do it. I'm just playing around to see if you get, because they're both, is this divided by? No, this one's weird. Okay, don't think this is the right way of doing it. So let's do it using like use it like just by working things out. So these two need to add together to make this. So L, let's say we've got, how am I going to make 4? 3 and 1? Could it be 3 and 1 and 1 and 3? Is that not a bit easy? 4, no, that doesn't work. So these need to be, so M and N to 14. They can't be the same, so they can't add up to, can't be 2 and 1. Can't be 2 and 1 and 1 and 2, and then because 3 and 3, 3, 4, 3 and 3, no. So it's going to be 6. So they're going to add to 13. So let's say 6 and 7, 7 and 6. And that's 3 and 1. And that makes 14. And that's 3 and 3. And N is 7. Oh ho ho! Did that on purpose. 100% at 6, 7. Okay. So L plus M plus N is 16. Ooh, 16. Don't know. I wonder if there was something for me here. Doesn't look like it. Okay. Something to play around with later. I have 2 old watches. Okay. So it's 9 p.m. Grandfather, father. So we're at 10 o'clock. The father is, I think it's, so wait, 12 hours later. Okay, 12 hours later, it should say 9 a.m., but the grandfather's it's lost an hour. So it's after 12 hours. So it's going to be this. Yeah, it's after 12 hours. Okay, I think that's actually not too bad. Yeah, because 12 hours later, grandfather's lost an hour. It should say 9 a.m., but actually it's 8. And so the other guy is going to gain an hour in that time. So it's going to be 10. If I divide by 3, 6x equals 5y. Oh, so this has stayed the same. So one kangaroo receives 4 extra radishes. What am I doing? So, so that's, we've gone from 7x to 6x to 5x, and then this person has stayed the same. Well, I don't know. 6 times, so that's 36 over 5x. And 4 over 5x. Okay, so one person's gone up, this has gone down, and this has gone down. This person gained 1, so does x equal 4? Nah. What the heck am I doing? I don't know how to do this. Initially this should, then the ratio of this, and then should run show the ratio of that. Oh, in the same order. It's the same order. Okay. This was this. That's the amount. This was this. That was the amount. But these are the same. Which is 6x is 5y. So this person has got the same amount. This person has gone from 7x to 6y. 6y is, if I divide this by 5 and then times it by 6, it's 36 over 5x. No, it's not. No. Divide by 5 times by 6. Yeah. And I was right. This is right. Okay, so this is 7.2x. That's 6x. This is 4.8x. This person's gone up. So 0.2x equals to 4 radishes. So x equals to 20 radishes. Okay, there we go. X is 20 radishes. So we had 140 to 120 to 100, 360. Wow. I mean, I guess you could just do which of these are divisible by 15 and 18, because it's not all of them. Like, I bet you could just do that. Oh my god, you can just do that. That's divisible by 15 and 18. Is this divisible by 15? Oh, that's divisible by 15 and 18 as well, though. So I guess it's one of these two. You don't know which one. Okay. Oof, that took longer than it should have. We're actually not making amazing time. We've only got half an hour to do the last ones, and the last ones are the hard ones. Oh, this is so fun. I love an area maze. That's half of that. Oh, this is so fun. So this is going to be 6 because that's half and half. That's 6 means that's 18. 18 to 42. So this whole thing is 36. 18 to 42 is times... There's definitely a better way to do that, but it looks fun. I mean, I guess I could do 36. What's 42 over 18? 21 over 9? 7 over 3? 7/3? Ugh. So 18 times 7/3 is 42. So this whole thing needs to be 42. Oh my god, I'm a doofus. This is the same. This is the same as this. So this is the same as this. So it's just 42 minus 27, which is 15. Oh, love an area. I love an area maze. Didn't need to do this. Come on, Natan. Yeah, love an area maze. Okay, we've got Anna, B, and this person. They've bought pens, rulers. That's it. And I bought twice as many pens. So we've got rulers. So if this is x, this is 2x. B bought twice as many pens as Anna bought rulers. And that's 2y. Anna bought twice as many pens as rulers. So that's going to be 10 minus x. That's going to be 10 minus 2y. Okay. 2x plus y equals 10. Okay. And the number of rulers, I need to use this somehow. I think this is trial and error, would actually be faster than what I'm doing, but 10 minus y plus x is an even number. I mean, if that's just 3 and 4. 10 minus, oh no, it can't be. 4 and 2. 4 and 2. So 8 and 2 and 4 and 4 and 6 and 6. 4. I think so. I think that works. Not gonna check. Don't have the time. Okay. So that is the same as that. So that's also 15. And that's A and that's B. And that's A and that's B. And that's C, which adds to 180. Okay, this is 180 minus 2B. This is 180 minus A. This is something. Is it? I mean, I can do it in terms of A and B. So after 180, so it's 2. Oh god, it's 2B plus A minus 180. And then I've also got that. Ooh, I've also got that 2B plus A minus 180. The plus A plus 30 equals 180. I'm not going to get anything interesting here. Let's see. Oh, maybe I am. 2B plus 2A equals 360, 350. B plus A equals 175. No, it's 165. But wait, I know that anyway, because A plus B equals. Well, I know that anyway. Hold on, I know that anyway. B plus A equals 165. Which means I've done something stupid. Oh yeah, it's 330. Oh, I already know B plus A is 165. 2B plus A. Plus A. But that just tells me something I already know. Okay, let's try again. this is A, B, B, 15, A. This is 180 minus A. Oh wait, so this is B plus 15. This is 180 minus 2B. And that is 180 minus A minus 30. Okay, so I have that. Oh no, I don't. Oh, stop. Stop. What's happening? So, I have that 180 minus A minus 30 plus B plus 15 plus 180 minus 2B equals to 180. So, I'm going to get the same thing as before. 360. Oh my god, what am I doing? 360. Just collect the like terms. Okay. 210, 245, 245 minus A minus B equals to 0. Now I've got A plus B equals 245, which is impossible. What's going on? That's 180 minus 2B. That's B plus 15. That's either 180 minus A minus 30, or it's also B minus 15. What's happening here? These need to add to 180. So I need to take away 15. I need to add B. So it's B minus 15. So then these are the same. But I think that's just going to tell me something you know. Yeah, it's going to give me A plus B equals 165 again. Huh. I'm not sure. Huh. Usually I'm quite good at these. Okay, I'm going to leave this and come back to it. Fresh eyes. I'm hoping that fresh eyes will help. Okay. A larger cube of side length something. Oh, okay. Okay, so currently the surface area is 16 times 6. That's currently the surface area. Every time I take away a cube, if I take away a corner cube, it stays the same. So I lose 3 faces and I gain 3 faces. But if I take away any of these guys, then I lose 2 faces, but I gain another 2 faces. So the surface area is going to go up by 2. Every cube I lose, my surface area goes up by, if I take 2, 2, but then if I take another one, I lose 1. So I need it to go from this and then I need it to go to this plus times 1.5. So what is this? 6 times 6 is 96. I want my new surface area. Oh, hold on. If I take one out of the middle, then I lose 1 and I gain 1. I gain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I gain 5. Wow, I can gain 5 like that. Okay, I need to go from this to this times 1.5. 48, 114? No. 48, 144. I need to go to 144. So I need to gain 48. So I can do that by doing 1, 2, 3, 4. I can get 9 5s by doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can definitely do 9 5s, and then a 3, which is this one. So I think it's 10. 9 5s and a 3. When I take this piece, I lose 2. I go from 2, I lose 2, but I gain 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I just gain? How do I gain 3 again? I gain 5. If I took rid of this one, that would give me 1, 2. I think it's, it's 10 or 11. I think it's 10. I think it's 10. Ooh, that's tricky. That's like one I kind of need to play. That's a really nice investigation. What? Okay, so I've got statements 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so scenario 1. Exactly 2 of the statements are false. This statement is true. Okay, if this is true, the previous statement is true, and this is true. These work together. This, I don't think this can work. If this is true, if this is true, then this is false, and this is false, and this is false. Okay, so we could have true, false, false, false. So it could be this. Yeah, that works. If that's true, then this statement is false. The previous statement is true is also false. And there's actually 2 are false is also false, because there's actually 3 statements that are false. If this is false, the first 3 statements are true, which means that's true, but this can't be true. Okay. Diendra wants true. Diendra wants to arrange numbers in a row so the last number is odd. Whoa, that's cool. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the last number is odd. And the sum of any 3 is divisible by the first number of the 3. So if I put a 5 here, then there has to be a 1 here. The sum, oh no, the sum. Oh, that's cool. So 2, 3. Right, that works. But then what? That doesn't work. Where does the 4 need to go? How do I make a divisibility by 4? I don't think I can. Uh, 5, 2, and 1, but with 4, 3, and 1. 4, 3, and 1. That works. 3 plus 4 is 7. Plus 2. But then where's the 5 go? I think the 2 and the 3 need to be touching. That doesn't work. Don't know. Interesting. I'm not sure. Gonna try that in the last 50 minutes. These are the same. These are the same. Okay. Angles P, T, S, P, T, S. And PSR are equal, so that's A. These add to 180, which means that's 2B and that's 2B. And TSP, so B to QPS, A is 3 to 2. Altogether, they have to add to, I think it's 540. So I've got 3A plus 6B equals 540. And then I've got A plus 2B equals 180. But I already knew that. But A to B is 3 to 2. So 2B equals 3A. So it's just 4A equals 180. So A is 45. So what am I doing? SRQ? SRQ. 45. B is, and I'm trying to find 2B, which is just 3A. So it's 135. Don't know. Okay, maybe. That seemed easier than the previous angle one. Oh, this is fun. This is fun. Ho ho ho, this is fun. Okay. So she's thinking on the sweets. She tells Anna the pattern. Anna the pattern. And Elsa the shape. This is like a fun logic one. She tells Anna the pattern and says, do you know which way I'm thinking of? Both Anna and Elsa say no. Okay, that means that it can't be Anna knows the, okay, it can't be this or this, because then Anna will know B, Ella will know this, okay, and then now do you know? So it can't be those two, and they know that, and then they say, oh, and they still don't know, which means it can't be this, because if it was this, then Ella would know, and it's not this, because then the other one would know. So it's this one. Yay! That's fun. It's just, that's really fun, actually. Love that. Okay, let's go back to, oh my god, what have I done here? Let's go back to question 7. What is this? A storm contains 3 types of bats: cricket, table tennis, and baseball. On the list, some children each remove 2 bats. Some children each remove 2 bats. What's one of the children who can remove bats to be sure that at least 2 of them have exactly the same type of bat? So if there's one kid, they take 2 bats. No, if there's 2 kids, and what? Okay, if there's 2 children, then one could take 2 cricket, one could take 2 table tennis. Sure. There's 3 children. Is it all the different combinations? So we've got cricket, table tennis, cricket, cricket. It's just 3 choose 2. It's just 3 choose 2, which is just 3. Cricket, table tennis, cricket, 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 baseball, table tennis, table tennis. Oh wait, it's just 9. There's 3. There's 3 options, and there's 3 options. There's 9, and then there's 9 different options. So if I had 8 kids, if I had 4 kids, they could all have different. But there's 9 options. Wait. It's not true. I'm just going to count the options. I've got cricket, table tennis, cricket, baseball. I've got table tennis, table tennis, baseball. I've got baseball. There's 6. 6 options. Okay, 6 options. And 5 kids. The 6th kid, 7 kids. 7. There's 7. 7 for 7. What else could I not do? I couldn't do 20. Is that the last one? I've got 9 minutes. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I'm going to zoom. Okay, so this is A, this is A, this is B, this is B, this is 15. This is 180 minus 2B. This is 180 minus A, which means this is B plus 15. This one over here, this guy, what are you? You, well, if I call you C, I think, but this doesn't, what's the size of YXZ? YXZ is A, that's what I'm trying to find. Like, I feel like I should have this, because I've got 180 minus 2B plus B plus 15 plus C is exactly the same, because it's 180, as okay, 15 equals plus C equals 180. So that means that C minus B equals minus 15. So C plus 15 equals to B. Oh my god, wait, whoa. That means that's B. That doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make any sense. How can that whole thing be B? Then I've got A plus B equals 1. Oh, but I know that. I know A plus B is 165. Oh, wait, that means the whole big triangle is similar. They're similar triangles. Oh wait, they're similar triangles. So this big one that's A15B is similar to this one, which is AB and 15. Wait, what am I doing? Oh, I don't know. Got 5 minutes left and I don't know. I feel like it's like staring me right in the face and I just don't know. Okay, so I got this little triangle. There's something about this 180 minus 2b in here. So this big triangle, this guy, there's something about this I haven't used. Wow, this is really, my brain is having an absolute melt. Like I actually have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, let's grind through for 4 minutes. The whole thing and that thing is the same as that thing. It's literally just been stretched. So this length that's b minus 15. Okay, let's do it again. 8b, that's 180 minus 2b. That is b. That is a. That is, no, that's 15. That's a. That is b plus 15. This doesn't make any sense. But obviously they make 180. I'm baffled. And I know I'm going to sit down tomorrow, I'm going to look at it fresh, I'm going to get it straight away. And it's gonna kill me. So I'm going to pretend, close my eyes, look at it again. Okay, they're on a straight line. There's something about the whole thing being similar. But that triangle is the same as that one. Honestly, I'm doing something horrendously silly, and I don't know what it is. And I'm just wasting time chatting rubbish because I have no idea. A, B, B, 15. A, B plus 15. B minus 15. 180 minus 2b. Oh wait, I guess these add to 360. Does that help us? Maybe. Like I'm looking at this. This is not going to help us, but I've got 1 minute 20, so 360 minus. No, of course that doesn't help us. That just gives me a plus b. Hold on. I could have just trial and errored it. I legit could have just trial and errored it, but the time's over and I don't want to. Okay, we're calling it. It's been fun, but also, I mean, did everything. Don't feel confident about 9. Don't feel... Lots of things I don't feel super confident on. Didn't do everything in the best way. Could not do 20. Don't know what was going on. But think I could do the other stuff. Particularly enjoyed 25, which is lovely. Didn't really like 21. Think I got that wrong. 18's great. So yeah. Thanks so much for watching. I will hopefully have the answers and then post the answers. If not, I'll post it and then link to the answers. Don't know. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.